Again, Dr. Brajraj Singh Chauhan, Associate Professor, FEM, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Program name MSc Mathematics, second semester. Course name Numerical Computation, and session of today is numerical problem on binomial distribution. So, problem number one is criticize the following statement for any binomial distribution. Mean is given here 5 and standard deviation is 3. Solution of this problem is as follows. Mean is equal to the n into p. It is given here 5, so n into p is equal to 5. Standard deviation, formula of standard deviation is under root npq. It is given here 3, and squaring it become 9, so npq is equal to 9, and np is equal to 5, so putting the value of np, it become 5q is equal to 9 and q is equal to 9 upon 5, and q is equal to 9 upon 5 is greater than 1. Here p plus q will be 1, so q cannot be greater than 1, or probability of any event should not be greater than 1 since it is a probability, hence the given statement is false. So this is the criticize of this statement. Another problem, example number 2. Perfectly cubical die is thrown a large number of times in a sets of the occurrence of 5 or 6 is called the success. In what proportion of the sets you mean express 3 success? Here the cubical die is thrown 8 times, so we have n is equal to 8. P is equal to probability of getting 5 and 6, so it become 2 upon 6 or 1 by 3. If Q is equal to P is equal to 1 by 3, then Q is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3, 2 by 3. The binomial distribution is P plus Q to the power n is equal to 8. So, therefore, the number of sets in which 3 successes are expected is equal to capital N into P plus Q to the power small n. So, here capital N into 2 upon 3 plus 1 by 3 to the power 8. So, uh, 3 successes are expected. So, 8c 3, 1 by 3 to the power 3 and 2 by 3 to the power 5. So, after solution, it become the percentage is equal to n into 56 into 32 upon 243 into 27 into 100 by n is equal to 27.31%. This is the solution of this problem. Another problem, 6 dice are thrown 729 times. How many times you expect the 3 dice to show a 5 or 6? 5 or 6, so probability q is equal to 1 minus p, or p is equal to 2 by 6, so 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. So 3 dice, the probability, so the 5 or 6, at least 3 dice, summation I is equal to 3 to 6, that will be p3 plus p4 plus p5 plus p6. After solution, p3 is equal to 6c3, q to the power 3, p to the power 3, p4 6c4, p to the power 4, q to the power 2. Similarly, 6c5, p5, q, and 6c6, p6. After solving this, and the final solution will be the 223 upon 729, and the required number np is equal to n into p. P is 223 upon 729, so it become 233. Similar, next example, the number of males in each 108 106.8 pigliters was uh, piglet was found, and they are given the following frequency distribution given here, frequency and um, corresponding numbers of male per liters. This is given here. So assuming that the probability of animal being male or female is even, that is p is equal to q is equal to 1/2. किसी भी बड़े ग्रुप में मेल और फीमेल जिसमें है, उसमें मेल और फीमेल दोनों के होने की प्रोबेबिलिटी 1/2 होती है, ठीक है। सो फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फॉलोइंग द बाइनोमियल लॉ कैलकुलेट द एक्सपेक्टेड फ्रीक्वेंसी 106 and p plus q to the power 8. So the expected frequencies are respective term of the expansion which was given here after expanding 8c1 p to the power 1 q to the power n minus 1. So it become after solving 0.4. Similarly 8c2 p2 q to the power n minus 2 is equal to 3.3, and all frequencies, expected frequencies, are calculated here and given this. Next example, in liters of 4 mice, the number of liters which contain 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 females were noted. The figures are given in the table. This frequency is given here, frequency distribution. If the chance of obtaining the female in a single trial is assumed constant, estimate this constant of the unknown probability, find also the expected frequency. So here the mean observation is equal to 8 into 0 plus 32 into 1 and 34 into 2, 24 into 3 plus 5 into 4, and after averaging we get NP is equal to 1.864. So P is equal to, here N is equal to 4, so P is equal to 0.864 upon 4. After dividing we get the value of P is equal to 0.266. P 0.466. So Q is equal to 1 minus P, and the value of Q also calculated. Then expected frequency will be capital N into P plus Q to the power small n. So here we have all things is available. Capital N is equal to 103, P is equal to 0.466, and Q is equal to 534. So after expanding we get the all expected frequency. So I hope you will be satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you very much.